Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself, Shah Faisal sir here. Dear students, today we are going to continue the chapter of Class 10 Karnataka State Board SSLC. Social Science, History, Chapter number 1, The Advent of Europeans to India. Dear students, in our previous class we have discussed about the introduction of this chapter and the European trading companies who came to India for the purpose of trade like Portuguese, Dutch, English and French. And later on in the previous class we have discussed that after the arrival of Dupleix the Carnatic Wars is been held. Right? Yes children. In today's class we are going to discuss about the competition between English and French. In today's class we are going to discuss about how was the competition was there. Competition between English and French. So how was the competition was there between these two peoples? Okay, let's begin children. Today we are going to discuss about English and French, friendship and enemy, both the things together. Anyways, children, already we have seen like that Portuguese and Dutch cannot able to withstand in front of English and French, correct no? The Portuguese and Dutch cannot withstand in the business in front of English and French. So what happened by the end of by the 18th century? So almost we can say that Portuguese and Dutch completely they have withdrawn from the trade. They are completely withdraw the trade because they are unable to withstand with the competition with English and French. So they have withdrawn by 18th century. समझ में आया बेटा? 18th century तक क्या हुआ था बेटा? पोर्चुगीज और डच का नाम नहीं था. अंडरस्टूड? उनका पूरे जो भी ट्रेडिंग था वो सब कुछ वो छोड़ दिए थे इंडिया से. नेक्स्ट, फाइनली French and English resorted to show their strength. Now they want to show their strength. Who? English and French. Now they want to show their strength to establish the political supremacy in India. Now they want to show their power. Now they want to show their power. Now they want to make their political supremacy. Now they want to show their political supremacy over India. समझ में आया बेटा? अब कौन बेहतर है, कौन लीडिंग में है, कौन अच्छा है, किसका बिजनेस अच्छा है? इंग्लिश वाला बोल रहा है कि मेरे को बिजनेस अच्छा चलना है, फ्रेंच वाला भी बोल रहा है मेरा बिजनेस अच्छा चलना है, मेरे फैक्ट्री ज्यादा होना है, मुझे इनकम ज्यादा चाहिए, सब कुछ मेरा चलना है. इंग्लिश इज टेलिंग दैट एवरीथिंग हैज टू गो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, आई एम द किंग. फ्रेंच इज टेलिंग एवरीथिंग शुड गो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, आई वांट टू बी द किंग. नो, for that king status, for that ruling status, they started both fighting with each other. Understood? Now he want to show that I am the best. Now French want to show that I am the best. Got it? So meanwhile what happened children? In political instability arose in the regions of Hyderabad and Carnatic because these two peoples are fighting. Who are fighting with each other? English and French are fighting with each other. Because of that what happens? The political instability arose in the region of Hyderabad and Carnatic. So these are the places names children. These are the names of the places. Hyderabad और Carnatic के अंदर क्या हुआ बेटा? Political instability शुरू हो गई थी. There was almost like a wars. There was kind of a wars been started. तो trading बहुत मुश्किल हो गया था दूसरे आदमियों को करने के लिए. Understood? The peoples was suffering with major problems because of these two peoples fighting with each other. Now where is Carnatic? It is there in the eastern part of Tamil Nadu. Where it is Carnatic present children? It is present in eastern part of Tamil Nadu. Eastern part of Tamil Nadu. That is the place is called as Carnatic. Now, and both English and French tried to exploit the situation in their favor. Understood? They both are fighting with each other. Now they want what? They want to exploit the situation in their favor. जो भी उधर चल रहा है बिजनेस पूरा मेरे अंडर में चलना. Everything should go under me. French, they should not open their factory over there. French, they should not do their business over there. English is telling French should not do the business. French is telling English should not do the business. Understood? If those people come and do, these people will fight against them. If these people come and do the business, those people will come and fight against them. So this kind of political rivalry has been started over that place. But both were stable. Both can able to fight with each other. Both are strengthened bodies. Understood? Both are rich fellows. Both are strengthened bodies. They are ready to face any challenge. Understood? No one are bowing their head. Even he also is telling that both are not compromising also. Both are not compromising also. दोनों compromise भी नहीं कर रहे हैं. सब कुछ मेरे अंडर में चलना है. इंग्लिश बोल रहा है कि फ्रेंच नहीं करना है, फ्रेंच बोल रहा है कि इंग्लिश को नहीं करना है. Did you understood? So this led to 3 Carnatic wars. Any doubts? Did you understood, children, how the Carnatic war started? Because of what? Because of this political rivalry. That they want to gain the complete supremacy to do the business. They want to gain the complete supremacy to do the business. Due to this Carnatic wars been held. Any doubts? Did you understood, children? Any doubts? Did you got my point? Yes or no? Very good, children. Now, in our next session, we are going to discuss about the first Carnatic war. So, till that time, keep watching. Still, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, do subscribe it. Evershine Coaching Groups, like, share and comment. And do not forget to watch the very interesting part of this chapter, that is Carnatic wars. It's kind of like a movie, children. Seriously. And it is one of the very important topic for your final board exam also. Got it? Thank you, children.